Here is how to create a simple breakout game in Python with 70 lines using Pygame. We start by importing and installing Pygame and bringing in the math module for movement calculations. To begin, we call pygame.init and set up the 400 by 400 pixel display window. We also define the time clock class, which we'll use at the end to cap the frame rate at 60 FPS to protect your device. We use the rect class to define our key objects. The ball starts at the center, 200, 200, with a 20 by 20 size, and the paddle is placed near the bottom at 180, 300, with a width of 60 pixels. The score begins at 0. If the ball is missed, the reset game function is there to restore the position, size, and speed of both the ball and paddle, and reset the score. The entire game operates within a while running is true loop, which handles all the essential logic. Inside, we first manage events, using the Pygame quit event to cleanly close the game. The ball's movement is initialized only when its speed is 0, at the start or after a reset, giving it an x and y speed calculated using math.cos and math.sin of the starting angle. Paddle control is simple. Key presses manage movement, with the left key decreasing the x position and the right key increasing it, always ensuring the paddle stays within the screen edges. The ball bounces off the sides and the top ceiling by simply inverting its x or y movement component. The critical interaction is the collision check with the paddle, which we perform using the colliderect function. If the ball hits the paddle, we invert the ball's y movement. To actively increase the challenge, we multiply the ball's x and y speed by 1.1, a 10% increase, and simultaneously reduce the paddle's width by 5 pixels until it reaches a minimum size. If the ball misses the paddle and hits the floor, we call the reset game function. Finally, in the rendering step, we fill the screen black, then draw the red ball and the green paddle. We render and blit the score, in white, in the top left corner, call display.flip function to show the updated frame, and cap the frame rate with our clock. We finalize the game loop by calling pygame.quit. Run the game, see the action, and watch the difficulty ramp up as the ball gets faster and the paddle shrinks. My high score is 14. Beat it and let me know in the comments. Have fun playing.